Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Jonathan in Virginia on this Connex 46 Turbo N2. Jonathan, it's ready to go for you, bud. Yeah, I put that green tape on there. It's painter's tape that keeps your chrome bezel nice and scratch-free while I'm tossing and turning on it. But we are on a rubber mat, so the likelihood of any kind of blemishes are very unlikely. However, you know, from the factory, especially on some Galaxy and RCIs, there are factory blems that we can't control. So let's get right to it there. Jonathan, RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug. We got you at 4 watts all the way down, so you have full adjustability if you decide to run an amplifier. 50 watts all the way up. And I'm going to show you average power swing. About 98 average. 500 watt slug in PEP. Hello, audio 1 2. Let's show that again. That's about, I think, 280, 290. Hello, about 280 we'll call it. Alright, Jonathan, it's ready to come to you. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.